Hello, this is Richard reporting to you from Chicago, Illinois. It's February 1st, 2011, and a very historic day. We haven't had a blizzard in Chicago for many, many years, and as you can see, it is snowing like anything. So, we're at the Windy City and the Snowing City. We're at 1635 North LaSalle, Chicago, Illinois. We're only about 4 blocks from the lake. So here's a view of the snow. And we're looking at LaSalle Street going north, going up, and we're coming around to North Avenue. That's North Avenue going west. Well, today I decided to take public transportation for 2 reasons. Leave the driving to them, plus I don't have to worry about finding and digging out a parking space when I go home. Ciao.